like money over here, like, whoo, dollar bill, okay, yes, look like a whole wallet. Definitely say this is a light yucky texture, and this is what the wig is giving me straight out of the box. Okay, so the hairline looks fabulous. We got 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the nape, as well as adjustable straps. So I'm gonna put this on. So I'm gonna take my brush and just brush through it because I am getting a few snags. Shaday is very long. It says Shaday 32, so I'm pretty sure that's probably standing for about 32 inches because it is very long. But she's sleek though. A lot of baby hairs as well. Now, I'm not gonna use all these baby hairs, so I'm gonna go ahead and pluck these. Not pluck them all, but I'm gonna thin out these baby hairs because they are just entirely too thick. Now, I did add some lace tint spray off camera because the lace, it was a little bit light for me. Nothing too crazy, but it was a little bit light for me, and I felt like I needed a little bit of tint. When I did that, look at that, y'all. That looks a lot like scalp. I really kind of think I want a middle part, which is crazy because I never want a middle part, but maybe. Let me see. Now, I put my glasses on because sometimes I really can't tell if my lace is showing or not because I do wear glasses on the regular. But these glasses is showing such a glare with my lights and stuff, so I think I'm going to have to slide them on off. Don't y'all hate that little bump that gets on your nose from wearing your glasses? So aggravating. Like, you're messing me up. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and get into the tea about this unit. So this is Outre's Shaday 32. I have her in the color 1B, and she comes with a 13x6 lace frontal, girl. Fully hand-tied lace wig, and this is a part of their perfect hairline collection. So this wig is supposed to provide you with style options that give you no plucking required, girl. It comes with a decent amount of baby hairs, and it also comes with an elastic band, which is similar to a wig grip already installed into the cap. It says adjustable, but I don't really see where you can adjust it, and also I don't think that you can take it off or unhook it like you can some other wigs, so just keep that in mind, girl. So Shaday is supposed to be high heat safe up to 400 degrees, and I did put some heat on her. She took pretty well, so I don't think you'll have any issues with burning of this wig, but let me go ahead and show you guys the length. Comes past my waist, okay, well, really right at my waist, because this is a high-waisted skirt that I got from Amazon, and this is where my waist really is. So this is where Shaday meets me at. So if you are a Shorty subscriber, just know, girl, just know Shaday might be to your kneecaps, sis, because she is definitely very long. Shaday does shed, and the shedding I thought was going to stop after a while, but I've been wearing her for about an hour, and she's still giving me a consistent shed. Now, it's not a crazy shed, like you could wear it out without people really peeping it, but you will like be pulling at it if you're a type of person that shedding kind of bothers you, because I'm that type of person. So I definitely have been pulling at Shaday and still getting some shedding. Now, as far as tangling, Shaday has a light tangling, so it's really not that big of a deal, but you definitely do want to take a wig brush with you if you're going out on the town with her where you're going to be doing a lot of movement. This is definitely not a wig I would wear to work or anything like that. I would just wear this for fun, cute outings, and definitely have my wig brush on hand. Now, the cap size is a big head friendly, which is great. Hallelujah. Let's give him some praise and glory, because she did not have any type of issues with putting her on my head. Shaday is on the more pricier side. She is not a $20 wig girl, so you really have to weigh your pros and cons when you're thinking about purchasing her. Do I think she's worth the money? Yes, I think she's really cute. If this is your look, girl, you're good to go, because she will get you all the way right. All the way right, okay? You be running these streets like, hello, What's good? What's poppin'? How y'all doing? I said how y'all doing. Like, yes, I definitely need you to hop in those comments, girls, so we can chat. I definitely want you to tell me how you feel about Shade, especially this length. Do you think that you can handle it? Could you handle it, girl? Because she is something else. Like, she's really giving me human hair vibes, just the way that she moves and the way that she looks. So I really do like Shade. The more I look at it and the more I, flick her around, I'm starting to feel like somebody. Girl, I'm starting to feel like money over here. Like, whoo, dollar bill, okay. Yes, look like a whole wallet. A whole wallet. Hey, you guys, I am out of here. Meet me in the comments so we can chat. I will have my computer open, and of course, I will be answering all your questions. I love y'all so much. Thank you for all your support and your love. Make sure you share this video so we can help another sister out. And I will see you later. Bye.